Today we solved some math based on rectangle, square and triangle. Okay, the first one is the length of the base of an isosceles triangle is 24 centimeter and area is 192 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. So in the question, the value of the base and the area is given. We have to find the perimeter. So the perimeter is basically the sum of surrounding sides. So here the base is only given and you have to find, since it's an isosceles triangle, so these two sides should be equal, so we have to find the value of the equal sides and the area is given. We know for the area the formula of isosceles triangle is half into base into root over the square of equal sides minus the square of base by 4. So using that formula, half into 24, because base is 24, into root over, assume that the equal side is value a, then a square minus base square by 4 equal to 192, because the value of area is given. Then solve it, we get root over a square minus 144 equal to 16. So then we doing the square, we get a square minus 144 equal to 256. Okay, then find the value of a square. From that, by square root 400 we get the value of a. So if a is 20, then the value of two equal sides should be 20. Then the perimeter will be 20 plus 20 plus 24. Okay, now the next math. It is said the ratio of three sides is 3:4:5 and the perimeter is 432 meter. Then find the area of the triangle. So the ratio of three sides is given and they said us to find the perimeter. If the ratio is given, then first we have to find the area of three sides. So since the ratio is given, we assume the sides are 3x, 4x and 5x. X should be greater than 0 because x cannot be 0, then all the sides is 0. If x is less than 0, then the values gives us negative value and the length of sides cannot be negative. Okay, now if we clearly notice is 3x, 4x, 5x, then 3x square plus 4x square value is equal with 5x square. So according to Pythagoras theorem, it should be a right angle triangle, because according to Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So it will give us the formula, then it should be a right angle triangle. Now for a right angle triangle, the formula of area is half into base into height. So it is the base and it is the height. So the area will be half into base into height. Now perimeter is said 432. Now if the three sides are 3x, 4x and 5x, then the value of the perimeter is 3x plus 4x by 5x equal to 342. So solving that, find the value of x. From that, find the value of x square by squaring the value, and then by multiply it with 6 we get the value of the area. Okay, and then the next one is said that the difference between the length of two sides adjacent to the right angle of a right angle triangle is 14 cm and the area of the triangle is 120 semi-square. Then find the perimeter of the triangle. Two adjacent sides of the right angle. This is the right angle, the two adjacent sides are this. The difference between these two sides is 14 cm. That means one side is greater than by other one is by 14 centimeters. So if the value of one side is x cm, then the other one should be x plus 14. Okay, now according to the question, the area is 120 semi-square. That means half into base into height equal to 120. Solve this, we get a middle term equation. Okay, by using the middle term process we get this. Now by solving the middle term we get two values of x. One will be 10 and one will be minus 24. So here the value will be 10 because the length cannot be negative. So if one side is 10, then the other side should be 24. Now since it's a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse value should be the square root of the sum of the squares of the perpendicular and base. So using that we find the value of the hypotenuse. So perimeter will be 10 plus 24 plus 60.